Alright, I'm in my room right now. You know, it's fat. You walk in, you know what I'm saying? It's a shower. You in the bathroom and everything. Just get a shot of that. Let you guys get a glimpse of that right there. Okay. Nice little shower. Shower up top. See how it comes down like a rainfall. You gotta be, let's go to the front room. All right. My temptation it's cool. I mean, it's nice. It's really nice. You know, let me open up the big window for you guys. You see that? That's how you got to work the whole room. And booyah, it is coming up. Look at that. That's the shit. I don't want to be bothered. It's daytime. I want to turn my shit off, turn all the lights off. Man, it's cracking. You know, my name came on the TV. I already changed it though. But it's nice. Then you come out here. Oh, I got a jacuzzi outside. We ain't got there yet. We gotta say. Yeah, so I got a jacuzzi out here. Nice little table. You feel me? Pool right here. It's lit. I'll get back at y'all.